Guys, it's Stavropol State Medical University in Russia. On this beautiful morning, I would like to explore this very renowned university like Stavropol State Medical University. First, in this video, I'll try to cover all the details about Stavropol State Medical University. And before getting to know about the university, first let's try to learn about what is Stavropol city first. So basically, this is a city in Russia. This is very beautiful and peaceful university, guys. It's amazing. The infrastructure, everything is so good, which you'll see in this video anyways. But before going into the video, I would like to tell a history about Stavropol and also about the Stavropol State Medical University. Let's start the video. Stavropol is a city in southwestern Russia. It has a rich history in education dating back to the 19th century. The city has been a center of academic and intellectual development, and when we talk about its educational evolution, during the Soviet era, Stavropol experienced substantial growth in higher education with the founding of Stavropol State Pedagogical Institute, now known as Stavropol State University, Training and Education. Over time, Stavropol's educational landscape diversified, offering many courses in different fields like engineering, medicine, agriculture, humanities, and social sciences. Stunning, right? And apart from its educational progress, the city has a lot to offer for having fun as well. Yes, you heard it right. So what's unique about this city is that over the centuries, Stavropol has been an important cultural, economic, and political center in the region. Stavropol is a fascinating city with a rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Whether you're interested in exploring its museums and historical landmarks or simply enjoying its beautiful parks and mountains, Stavropol has something to offer everyone. Today, Stavropol is a bustling city with a blend of modern amenities with historic landmarks, and this city has significant role in the medical field in this region as well. Interesting, right? Now let's learn about SSMU. Founded in 1938, SSMU is located in the center of Stavropol. It is one of the leading medical universities in the country and has a reputation for excellence in medical education and research. SSMU offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, and nursing. The university has a strong emphasis on practical training and provides students with opportunities to gain hands-on experience through clinical rotations and internships at affiliated hospitals and medical centers. Fascination for learning is SSMU's main motto to make the course effortlessly fun. Amazing, right? SSMU has a multicultural environment and offers student opportunities to participate in cultural events and activities as well as clubs and organizations. SSMU has a strong research focus and is home to several research institutions and centers, including the Institute of Experimental Medicine and Biotechnology and the Institute of Medical Physiology. The university is also a member of the Association of the Medical Schools of Europe and is involved in international the world. The university's library is well equipped with a vast collection of medical literature, journals, and research papers. The university also offers comfortable hostel facilities for its students, providing a safe and convenient environment for studying. The university's cafeteria provides delicious and affordable food options. Guys, you have everything you need to make your student life much better here. And there's also very good news for Indian students because in SSMU there's huge Indian community. There are around 800 graduates from SSMU until now, which is very huge and highest number in this university. So it's a great choice for Indian students seeking a quality medical education abroad along with feeling home away from home. Overall, Stavropol State Medical University is an excellent choice for students seeking a high-quality medical education in Russia. Its emphasis on practical training, multicultural environment, and research opportunities makes it a great place to learn and grow as a medical professional.